1995, take it to the street show. Crack the bubbly, and don't stop it, don't stop. Yo, respond.
100 times. At least 100 times you asked me to record this video. First of all, I didn't even know what the hell are you talking about. You know, I consider myself as a young person, but the truth is that I'm getting old. I realized that a few months ago on my live stream, because everybody wanted me to do a dab, but I was like, dab, what the hell is dab? I tried to ignore it, but then I had to use my old friend Google, and I realized that I can end it over here. Every single generation hates what the next generation do. For example, your grandparents hated when your dad started to listen to Depeche Mode or Pink Floyd or Rammstein. You don't even know what the hell is it, right? And every single time when something's getting famous, some people's gonna like it and some people's gonna say that it's so stupid because it's getting famous. Hell yeah, fidget spinners rule the internet right now. Just as that situation with dab, I have seen some comments, make a custom fidget spinner. I had to Google it and right now I got them. Actually, I got two of them. The price of these two things is something around $10 or something like that. This is the most traditional one, I'm pretty sure that you have seen this one, but to be honest, I prefer this fidget spinner. For sure it depends on the brand and quality, but this one just feels like super cheap. But this one feels perfect. Maybe you're wondering what's so special about this thing and why the whole internet is so crazy about this thing. My first touch with this thing was like, okay, let's try this amazing device for the first time ever. Whoa! That's it. That's the whole point. But then I started to do things like this and I have to admit that, yeah, it's fun. Like, it's not fun, it feels good. But somebody told me that it's possible to do some amazing tricks with this thing, so I will try to find something.
Popular debate. If you don't know what a fidget spinner is, like it's not a lifestyle. Fidget spinning is a...
Enough is enough. So your demand is to create a custom fidget spinner, but have you seen these things? They are so small. So just try to write that comment like, hey Doke, you should have done some proper graffiti on it. Do you get it? So, alright, let's paint. Ooh! I just broke this one. Repaired. So the design of the fidget spinner number 1 is almost done. By the way, to create this design I used Molotov acrylic markers, but that's not the end of the process. Without a layer of a clear coat, the color wouldn't stay there. I'm gonna finish the process at the end, but right now it's time for a fidget spinner number 2. This is my favorite one, and The design of the second fidget spinner is gonna be something like a random craziness with a spray paint, because to be honest, it's such a big pain in the ass to do this with a marker. The main disadvantage of these acrylic colors is that it takes so much time till it's dry, you know. The fidget spinners are done, and if you want to see more videos like this, little thumb up is not gonna help you, because I'm never gonna do this again. I'm just kidding, these little devices are fun and there is no reason to spread hate about it. So thumbs up, that would be awesome. And as always, let me know in the comments below what would you like to see as the next custom video. This is a fidget spinner number 1. I tried to create something like a CSGO skin, and this is how it looks. And this is a little bit more crazy fidget spinner number 2 in the red colors. As I said before, this one is much better. Guys, let me know in the comments below which of these two fidget spinners is your favorite one. I prefer the red one, but when I see them spinning, the blue one looks maybe a little bit better. It's up to you. But as you can see, the performance of the red one is much better. As you can see, the red one is still spinning, so the winner. Thanks for watching, guys, keep spinning and see you next time.